Get ready with me using Danessa Myricks Pastel Dream Palette. So I'm going to start off by doing my current complexion routine. These are the products I've been using lately. So I'm actually going to start off with the Danessa Myricks Groundwork Defining Neutrals palette and go in with Core, this color right here. I use this to color correct. So I'm just popping that around my mouth to neutralize the discoloration. And then I started putting it under my eyes as well, because you know I have this mark from my glasses, this dark spot. So that's the difference, color correct and no color corrector. I got this random breakout earlier in the month, and it left this dark spot. I'm like, what in the world? Like, why would you ever do that to me? But there we go, we color corrected. I'm going in with the Lancome Tinted All Concealer. This is in the shade 500 Suede W. Charlotte Tilbury Contour Wand in Tan Deep. I have it closed this time, so it's not going to put too much on. Oh, shoot. Oh, Lord. I was supposed to be trying a new bronzer today, and I totally forgot. It's right in front of me. Girl. Alright, I'm going to blend the concealer out. Okay, going in with the Lancome Tinted All in 460. I'm going to go in with the Westman Atelier Baby Cheeks in the shade Poppet. Just like this. I am not going to swipe it on my face. I'm going to use a brush to pick it up. Looks like that. Can you see it? Yes? No? It's pretty. It's like a blue tone pink. It blends nicely. I'm going to blend out the 460. This is the lighter shade. It's pretty over the blush. I'm going to be going in with my Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Serum Skin Tint in the shade 13. Going in with the One Size Powder Melt Spray first. Alright, going in with the skin tint. Going in with the Kosas Cloud Set Translucent Loose Setting Powder in Translucent Peachy. Hourglass Vanish Powder in Translucent Tan. Nars Laguna Bronzer in Laguna 7. I'm going to go in with the number 27 from Refurb with a bit of the bronzer to define my nose. A little bit more of the baby cheeks. Then I'm going to go in with my Givenchy Prisme Libre Press Powder in 06 to blur everything. So we're going to be trying out the new Danessa Myricks Freedom palette. This is in Pastel Dream. You guys, I had to get this. Okay, y'all know I love Danessa Myricks. So it looks like this. It's supposed to be similar to the option that the Lightwork 6 palette has, that you can customize what you want to bring with you. You can stack them together with the magnetic top mirror that it has there. So yes, I'm guessing she's gonna make her palettes like that going forward, just so you have the option to mix and match. And this is the color story of the palette. So you have your mattes up top and your duochromes and multi-chromes at the bottom. Okay, so here are the swatches of the eyeshadow. The 3 mattes are closer to my wrist, and then the duochromes and multi-chromes are closer to the bangles. Beautiful color story. I'm really excited to try it. I don't even know what I want to put on my eyes right now. We're gonna play around. This is pretty. So the Mini Pastel Dream Freedom palette retails for $48. It is a 6-shade multi-chrome all over mini face palette featuring foil flakes, metallic shimmer, and color accurate soft mattes. Okay. Ooh, it's multi-use. Why did I not realize it said mini face palette this whole time? This whole time. It doesn't say anything about it not being eye safe, but it does say it's a face palette in the description. You know what? I'll put this on my eyes. I'm gonna go on with Moon Dust first. That is gonna be buffed into the crease. This is pretty similar to my skin tone when I'm blending it out. I'm gonna buff it up higher. Let's go on with Pink Mirage. So y'all know I love me a monochromatic look, but I feel like I want to go in with this today. Let's do that, right? Yeah, let's just use all the colors. Aqua Dream. I'm using a smudge brush. I'm gonna pop it here. Oh, that is really pretty. I'm going back in with Pink Mirage and my blending brush and blend in the edges. Kind of blowing out that color a little bit more and around the edges of the blue. I'm gonna go in with Peachy Quartz. I'm gonna start with the dry brush. Pop that in the center, see how that looks. We're gonna go in with Galaxy Crush. Gonna run that on the bottom lash line. So back with Aqua Dream on the smudge brush, and I'm blending it underneath the multi-chrome. Kind of layering it. I'm gonna go in with Gilded Dream and pop that on the inner portion of the eye and pull it into the crease. I'm going back in with Pink Mirage and just blend in the inner crease and the outer eye. Alright guys, this is my completed makeup look. For my lip, I do have on the Sephora Collection lip liner in Molasses with this Dior Addict Lip Butter. I did a TikTok video, but this is in the shade 102 Glazed Lavender. Yeah, 102 Glazed Lavender. We used all the colors in the eyeshadow palette today, and I will say that, look, they layered on top of each other really nicely. It still had a lot of saturation and color, blended very nicely. I have no complaints at all, actually. No complaints, no notes. She did what she needed to do with this eyeshadow palette. So if you're interested in picking it up, it is a limited edition product. I will say most definitely add it to your collection. Danessa did pastels. Like, okay, cool. You know, normally we have a lot of duochromes and multi-chrome colors to choose from, brighter, intense, more colors for people that want that. For people who want something a little bit more subtle, I think that this will be beautiful. Not subtle, it's soft, if that makes sense, but still pigmented and intense. I don't know. Anyway, you know what I mean. Y'all know what I mean. I like this a lot. It's beautiful. I'm happy that I picked it up. So it's $48, just a reminder. And you can layer it if you have the Freedom palette in Lightworks 6. I'm excited to see what else she's going to come out with. Like, what other eyeshadow palettes are we going to come out with? Are we going to do an all matte, like colorful eyeshadow palette? No multi-chromes and duochromes? We shall see. We shall see what happens. But I really, really like it. For the blush, love the formula. It blends really nicely, and I like this color. I think that everything actually turned out really nice. And the lip butter, very hydrating. It does have like a little bit of a minty feeling to it. It's not tingly, but you know, like when you have something that has mint on it, it's kind of like cooling. That's the sensation that I'm getting from my lip right now. So we'll see if this is actually a hydrating lip butter, because maybe it's $42. Now, the color is beautiful, but I hope you're going to do some skincare benefits. So yeah. So that's going to be it for today's video. Everything will be linked in the description box down below if you're interested in trying anything out. If you're new here, hi, I'm Jordene. I would love for you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up because it helps me out. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.